Hello guys, so today we have a Lennox air conditioning unit. It's not on. And the Amana just turned off. Yeah. Sadly. Over here we have a common Train XR and a York. None of these are on. As you can look, it's really easy to look inside. And over here, we have another York. Also not on. And we have a York unit. And there's another one hidden on those bushes. Pretty good. It's a York. Over here, we have another York. Really nice. And a Goodman. So that's a really nice one. We have a Carrier. A leaf is stuck on the logo. Over here, we have a funny sounding pain. And a non-running Carrier. We have a Carrier, I think it's a mini split. It's a really nice one. Going over here, we have a Carrier, another Carrier, a Mitsubishi, and we have a Fujitsu. This air feels good. It's really warm. It's cold outside. But yeah, most of these Carriers are not actually running. Going over here, we have a bunch of these kind. I don't know where the stickers are because the logo is literally gone. Dang, that's loud. Yeah, I don't know what these actually are because looks like the sticker got taken off. Going over here, we have a slightly faded Goodman. Well, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed my HVAC, Kevin. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe and follow for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!